In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple websites on a VPS using Hostinger and Cloudpanel. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting started, this guide will help you streamline your web hosting needs by consolidating multiple websites onto a single VPS, saving both time and resources. Let's dive into it. First, let's head over to Hostinger. You'll want to log into your account through the Hostinger control panel by visiting their website. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is navigate to the Websites tab in the control panel. This is your starting point for managing all the sites linked to your account. Now, next to each of your websites, you should see three little dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various settings for your websites. From here, select Dashboard. Once in the dashboard, you'll see that it's connected to your domain, providing you with a central hub for managing your site-specific functions. This is critical for settings, analytics, and overall management of your domain's performance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here because this is where you'll monitor your site's health and performance. After reviewing the dashboard, go back to the main Websites tab by clicking once again on the Websites link. Now it's time to add another website under the same VPS hosting account. By choosing Add Website, you begin the process of creating space for a new domain or site under your existing hosting plan. In this step, you'll see options that allow you to specify what kind of site you're adding. It could be another content-based platform, an e-commerce setup, or a simple landing page. Make sure to choose the options that best reflect what you're planning to create. Once you've made your choice, proceed with the prompts. This setup allows you to host multiple different domains and websites together, sharing the resources provided by your VPS. It's an efficient way to manage several projects without the hassle of separate setups for each, particularly if you're looking to keep costs in check while maintaining quality. Always ensure you're keeping an eye on the resource allocation to each website. VPS allows dedicated resources to be shared among multiple sites, so you'll want to monitor that no single site is hogging too much bandwidth or memory. Regularly check your website stats and Cloudpanel settings. This way, you can adjust and optimize server resources as necessary for smooth operation. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your VPS to host multiple websites. Congratulations on enhancing your web management skills. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!